Before we get into the forecasts, let's look at Rndr as a potential investment opportunity. Price forecast for Rndr token. Assessing the investment potential of Rndr token through the use of a peer-to-peer network. The Rndr token Rndr serves as a viable option for the rendering and streaming of virtual works. The network facilitates the distribution and fast processing of intricate rendering tasks that rely on GPU technology, thereby streamlining the workflow for end users. The Rndr network wants to evolve into a digital marketplace that supports the financing of digital concepts, assets and apps, with a focus on 3D projects and digital rights administration. The basic goal of Rndr token is to link various studios and artists looking for GPU computing power with mining partners willing to lease their available GPU capabilities. By facilitating the sharing of individual surplus or unused GPU capacity with others who demand greater GPU resources, the Rndr token platform successfully eliminates technological barriers within computing systems. The network allows the connecting of individuals, allowing them to save money and time. The following are the primary properties of Rndr network. The Rndr network decentralized cloud computing platform helps developers to easily build and publish applications by leveraging the advantages of blockchain technology. The platform provides advanced computing resources like as PUS and TPUS, allowing developers to build and run complex applications and simulations. The network has been designed to be horizontally scalable, allowing it to successfully meet growing demand through the smooth addition of new computing resources. The Rndr network has been intended to prioritize low latency, allowing apps built on the platform to respond to user requests quickly and provide a seamless user experience. The technology has been built to work with a variety of blockchain networks, including Ethereum, Polygon and Binance Smart Chain. This functionality allows developers to choose the blockchain network that best meets their individual needs. When compared to other cloud computing service providers, Rndr network provides cloud computing capabilities at a lower cost. The security methods used by network encompass include advanced techniques like encryption and multi-factor authentication, which serve to protect user data and reduce the danger of unauthorized infiltration into the primary applications. The Rndr network is well known for its outstanding characteristics in terms of speed, ease of use, and cost-effectiveness. The platform employs a decentralized network of graphics processing units PUS in a novel way, allowing for the efficient and superior rendering of three-dimensional 3D media at a rapid rate. The Rndr network enables artists to create longer and higher quality animations, relieving concerns about time-consuming rendering processes. Artists and designers may now utilize GPU power, allowing them to create final pictures at lower costs and faster rates than alternative sources. Node operators can lease their surplus graphics processing units PUS and receive Rndr coins in exchange. Rndr acts as the Rndr network's inherent digital money, performing a variety of critical activities throughout its ecosystem. The next sections describe the primary applications and functions of Rndr tokens. The use of Rndr acts as a payment method for accessing the decentralized rendering services provided by Rndr network. Rndr can be used as a medium of exchange on cryptocurrency trading platforms, allowing for the exchange of Rndr for other cryptocurrencies or traditional fiat currencies. Rndr can facilitate participation in Rndr DAO, an autonomous decentralized organization responsible for the governance of the Rndr network and the management of its resources. It can also serve as a means to motivate and acknowledge users for their contributions of computational resources to the Rndr network in the capacity of a node operator or validator passive. Staking Rndr coins might yield income. The growing demand for graphic processing unit GPU rendering services has resulted in the potential cost and time savings of employing Rndr network. Also, users have the opportunity to create passive income through the acquisition of Rndr tokens. In overall, Rndr makes a somewhat convincing argument for investment. Is it conceivable that the value of the Rndr token will rise to $10 in order to achieve the $10 price level? In addition, the Rndr token reached its peak price of 7.80 in November 2021. And there was a substantial growth of around 16.25-fold within a span of 5 months, beginning with the lowest recorded price of 48 cents in June 2021, so it saw a growth rate of 325 within a span of 1 month. So it is expected that Rndr will achieve a valuation of 10 within a time frame of less than T. Price forecasting. Is it possible for the value of the Rndr token to reach $1,000? The value of the Rndr token would have to increase by a factor of 467 in order to reach $1,000. Furthermore, given the significant rise of 3.25 times in a single month, it can be deduced that the Rndr token would require a minimum of 143 months, about comparable to 12 years, to reach a value of $1,000. Please provide a forecast of the token price for the next 6 hours. The projected token price for the next 6 hours is expected to fluctuate between 1.4 and 1.4. Predicting the price of a token today. According to the forecast, the projected value for token in 2023 is estimated to be $2. According to projections, the token's expected value in 2025 is estimated to be 4.20 cents. According to the anticipated analysis, the Rndr token's expected value in 2030 is estimated to be $20.40. The stability of the dollar. The current price of Bitcoin will be influenced by the consequences of de-dollarization and China's concerns. In a world where the dollar is volatile, the BTC/USD is down 0.25 and its selling price is $26,025. De-dollarization initiatives confront significant challenges that may have an impact on Bitcoin pricing. Notwithstanding the fact that China dislikes it, the US dollar is still performing nicely. Even with what happened at the Jackson Hole Symposium, most experts believe there will be no rate increases in 2023 and no rate cuts until March 2024. The impact of currency volatility on dollarization and Bitcoin prices. A marketplace. Zane Veda, a Daylifx analyst, describes how the current currency volatility in China has affected him. Russia and Argentina were both informed. Bitcoin price predictions as $10 billion sends BTC up 1%. Are whales buying? When Bitcoin goes up by 1%, people start to wonder if whales are involved, since BTC just got a huge $10 billion infusion. This rise in business interest is happening against a financial background that is very interesting. Jerome Powell recently hinted that if the US wants to do a good job of stopping inflation, it might have to raise interest rates again. A recent buy of BTC worth $3 billion that is said to have been made by Robinhood has also raised eyebrows. Many people think this is why Bitcoin's price is going up. Analysts at JP Morgan, on the other hand, hint at a possible silver lining for crypto fans, saying that the long bear market in cryptocurrencies may soon be over. Experts say more rate hikes are needed to stop inflation. People have been paying attention to Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's warnings about persistent inflation and the chance of more interest rate hikes.